E&R Cleaning is the largest and oldest cleaning company in South Florida. Bringing the meaning of clean to a whole new level, here at E&R Cleaning we understand that operating a business can be challenging. That's why we completely take over the ongoing issue of keeping your business clean. With our company serving some of the biggest names in South Florida since 1982, and a workforce of over 1,000 behind us, we have been redefining professionalism and dependability for over 36 years. Our services. Front of house cleaning. Our front of house cleaning includes the main entrance, the dining room, lounge area, any meeting rooms, behind the bar, bar mats, etc. The level of cleaning our crews go into includes moving tables to vacuum your carpets, cleaning your floors whether it's by a floor machine or sweeping and mopping, both high and low dusting. Bright work is especially taken into consideration when cleaning. We shine all brass, clean the windows, glass, blinds, and more. Restroom cleaning. When it comes to cleaning, we feel that the restrooms are of the utmost importance, as that's where almost every guest will visit. A dirty restroom is sure to make a guest question the sanitation of the kitchen and other areas of the facility, so we pay extra attention to detail. We clean restrooms from the ceiling down, sanitize all surfaces, any and all bright work, and replenish any toiletries when needed. Pressure washing. We have our very own team of pressure washers. We can handle any area you need cleaned at any frequency. Kitchen and back of house cleaning. When it comes to kitchen cleaning, our company really shines. We provide a full-service deep cleaning on a daily basis, which includes all of the kitchen line, degreasing, cleaning the mats, all of the hoods and filters, cleaning the food stations, the drains and floors. We also clean kitchen equipment, employee break areas, hallways, back offices, and more. Country clubs. E&R Cleaning has been servicing some of the finest country clubs in South Florida since the 1980s. We clean all areas of the club including the lobby and common areas, grounds, any hallways, employee offices, bathrooms, and more. Bowling alleys. E&R Cleaning offers full-service bowling alley cleaning. We clean the bar floors, game room floors, seating area floors and tables, any party rooms. We handle trash disposal, restroom cleaning, break room cleaning, carpet vacuuming, high and dusting, and more. Movie theaters. With movie theaters being such a large space to clean and maintain, E&R Cleaning takes pride in having the workforce to get any size theater cleaned properly and efficiently. Cleaning consists of bathrooms, auditoriums, concession stands, hallways, snack counter, main lobby, etc. Night clubs. Our staff at E&R Cleaning has extensive experience with nightclub cleaning, more than 3 decades to be exact. We understand that your nightclub is under a great deal of scrutiny on a daily basis from your guests. That's why we offer you our guarantee that our staff will leave your nightclub as clean as the day it opened. We begin cleaning with removing the waste, with attention to the chewing gum on the dance floor. We then wax and scrub the floor, and have state-of-the-art buffer machines. We clean each bathroom from ceiling to floor, sanitize all surfaces and leave them smelling fresh and clean. We clean all table surfaces and bar surfaces, all sofa and couch areas, all hallways, and baseboards, and much more. We offer all of these services while still maintaining some of the most affordable rates in the industry. Get your free estimate by call us on 716-296-3236 today.